Yo, next week 6 massive tech companies are dropping their earnings. Don't sleep on this if you want to see how AI is changing the game. Meta. Yo, Zuck's not just playing dress-up with Ray-Bans anymore. He's gone full sugar daddy on EssilorLuxottica, dropping billions like it's Monopoly money. Why? Because now your shades can snitch on your life in 4K. It's either 5000 IQ or Black Mirror IRL, you decide. Let's talk Benjamins, because Meta's stacking paper like it's going out of style. They're not just beating expectations, they're leaving them in the dust. Their stock's so hot it makes ghost peppers look like baby food. But hold on to your AirPods, because here comes the plot twist, AI. Meta's not just flirting with robots, they're in a full-on throuple with Llama 3. They're injecting AI into your feed faster than you can say targeted ads, and it's got Silicon Valley shook, so eyes up, fingers ready. Meta's about to drop their money diary and it's gonna be spicier than your ex's IG story. Miss this, and you might as well be tweeting by carrier pigeon. Remember, in the metaverse, FOMO is forever. Don't say I didn't warn you.
ARM's Q2 earnings is going to be hotter than your overclocked CPU. These chip wizards aren't just crushing it, they're basically the Avengers of Silicon. Google and Tata, yeah, they're ARM's new BFFs. Talk about a glow up. Last quarter, ARM didn't just beat expectations, they dropkicked them into next year. We're talking growth that'd make your Robinhood account jealous. And now they're promising more. It's like they found a cheat code for capitalism. ARM's everywhere, fam. Your iPhone, ARM. Your smart fridge, probably ARM. Your neighbor's weirdly intelligent dog. Okay, maybe not. Morty Snowball is coming soon, whether you like it or not. They're not just playing the game, they're changing the whole dang console. AI, cloud computing. ARM's got its fingers in more pies than a bakery on Pi Day. So their earnings call, it's not just numbers, it's a crystal ball into tech's future. Miss it, and you might as well start sending smoke signals and counting on your fingers. Don't sleep on this, folks. ARM's not just bringing a knife to a gunfight, they're bringing a whole freaking Death Star.
Amazon is about to report their earnings next week, and you'd be a fool to miss it. Listen, Prime Day just crushed it. We're talking $14 billion in 2 days. That's not just money, that's a middle finger to inflation and recession fears. Take that, J-Pow. But here's where it gets spicy. Amazon is going all in on AI, and they're not playing around. We're looking at billions in Gen I revenue. This isn't just tech, it's the future slapping you in the face and asking if you're paying attention. And oh, the drama. The FTC is breathing down Bezos's neck because Amazon's snatching up AI talent like it's going out of style. It's a chess game, and Amazon's making moves while the government's still learning checkers. Or maybe they're still stuck at tic-tac-toe. Who knows? Look, Amazon's not just a company. It's a freaking force of nature. They're reshaping retail, cloud computing, and now AI. You think that's not going to show up in the earnings? Wake up. This report isn't just numbers. It's a glimpse into the future of tech, commerce, and probably humanity itself. Apple.
If you haven't heard about Apple's upcoming earnings announcement, you might as well be living under a rock. And not one of those fancy Apple-designed rocks, either. Apple's stock is higher than Snoop Dogg at a Cypress Hill concert. And it's all thanks to their WWDC flexing. AI this, new gadgets that. The market's practically throwing money at them like it's raining iDollars. But hold your horses. Last quarter, Apple barely squeaked by expectations. Revenue's been slipping faster than Tim Cook's AirPods during a sweaty jog. This earnings report, it's make or break, baby. Wait, Apple's got more tricks up its sleeve than a magician at a tech convention. New iPhone SE, check. AI that's smarter than your ex, double check. This isn't just another boring earnings call. It's like the Super Bowl, Oscar night, and your high school reunion all rolled into one. But with more nerds, bigger numbers, and triple the AI. Thursday's the day we find out if Apple's still the golden child of tech, or if they're about to become the BlackBerry of 2024. Miss this, and you might as well trade in your iPhone for a Samsung. Totally kidding. Not really.
Microsoft.
Daddy Bill Gates, aka Microsoft, is about to drop their next earnings mixtape, and Wall Street is holding their breath. Cloud gain? They're killing it. Last time they stacked paper like it was Jenga. 17% more cheddar, baby. We're talking billions with a B. Now they're flexing harder than a gym bro on Instagram. Wisconsin, Kenya. Microsoft's playing Monopoly with real money, y'all. And get this, they're pulling a full 180 faster than your ex locking you. Xbox, that's so last season. It's all about that cloud life now. They're playing 5D chess while the competition's stuck on tic-tac-toe. So whether you're a stonks junkie or just here for the drama, next Tuesday be wilder than Taylor Swift at an Abercrombie & Fitch. Grab your popcorn because this earnings report is gonna slap harder than your mom when you forgot to defrost the chicken. It's Microsoft's world. We're just living in it, maybe. Let's see if they can put their money where their mouth is or if they're all capped.
AMD.
Alright, listen up, tech hounds. AMD is about to drop their earnings bomb in the coming weeks. And if you're not paying attention, you're missing out on the Silicon Valley blockbuster of the year. First off, Zen 5 Ryzen processors. More like Zen holy crap, that's fast processors. We're talking 16% better performance, people. AMD just went all Tony Stark and bought Silo AI. Why? Because they're not here to play checkers. They're here to dominate the AI chess game on a global scale. Last quarter, they're projecting $5.7 billion in revenue. That's not chump change. That's build a money fort and swim in it kind of cash. So if you're not watching AMD's earnings like it's the season finale of your favorite show, you're doing tech wrong. This isn't just chips. It's the future of computing served on a silicon platter.